Okay, number 9. I'm going to say the tangent of 58 degrees is going to equal the opposite side over the adjacent side. So the opposite side is 22, over the adjacent side is x. This equation is equivalent to switching these two numbers. So x equals 22 divided by tangent 58. Type that in, 22 divided by tangent 58 is 13.7 if I round to the nearest tenth. And that's the answer to the problem. If you want to see why the blue equation and the green equation, why those two are the same equation, I can talk about that briefly. I also talked about it in another video. To solve for x, when you have x in the bottom of the fraction, you can multiply both sides by x, or you can actually create a proportion. So I put a 1 underneath the tangent 58, which gives me a proportion. What'll happen then is my first step is I would cross multiply. So 1 times 22, I'll show this below the triangle. 1 times 22 is equal to x times tangent 58. So 22 is equal to x times tangent 58, because 1 times 22 is 22. Then to get x by itself, I have to divide by the number that I have next to it. So divide by tan 58. So when I divide by it, that gives me a 1, and so I have x equals 22 over tan 58, which is what I said was true in green. So if you understand that those are going to switch spots because of the proportion, that can save you time. But you could also put a 1 underneath it and cross multiply to get your answer. You'll get the same thing.